This is technically an alarm clock, but without alarm. It's called Le Jour qui chante, and it is a singing bowl which you can just pick up and change out like this. You can put on a different one for a different day. You set the time and the alarm right here. It's a touchingly gentle awakening, really. And then you get up out of bed and you just simply turn it off. And that's how you wake up. That's how you take all the blessings of sleep and from the subconscious into the day. Sans alarme, as they would say in Switzerland and in France. Le jour qui chante.